Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting by stopping Facebook's automatic zoom. Open the app or desktop site and sign in, then go directly to your profile photo settings. Once there, choose Edit Profile Photo instead of tapping the enlarged preview. Upload a new image already cropped to Facebook's recommended dimensions so Facebook doesn't rescale it. Make sure to save changes and wait for the preview to refresh. This first step reduces the chance Facebook will force a zoomed crop, and it sets you up for finer control next. Now adjust the crop precisely so the displayed image stays unzoomed. When uploading, drag the photo to the exact position you want and use the zoom control sparingly. Zooming in triggers closer crop. Once done, preview on both mobile and desktop because Facebook sometimes applies different visible areas. If necessary, add transparent padding in an image editor or place the subject within a one-to-one canvas, so Facebook's autofit keeps the whole subject visible without forcing a zoom. Finish by saving and confirming the visible result, then clear the app cache or refresh your browser to ensure the new version loads. If Facebook still zooms, re-edit the image with a larger surrounding canvas or more centered padding so the algorithm won't crop in. Once done, try uploading from desktop because the desktop editor often gives more accurate framing than mobile. If problems continue, remove and re-add the photo. This simple retry often forces Facebook to recalculate the display correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.